God reaches the undeserving. Sa 1 Timothy chapter 1 verse 15, ang sabi niya doon, I am the chief of the sinners. Ako ang pinakamakasalanan. Who among us here can declare these words from Paul? Kaso sa mga Kristiyano ngayong araw, ngayon, kapag tayo ang nagkasala, ayaw nating masabihin na tayo ang nagkamali. Na tayo ang may kasalanan. Nagtuturoan pa tayo. Paul declared himself, I am the chief of the sinners. Ephesians 3 verse 8, less than the least of all saints. Okay? So kung ating titignan ang pagkatawag sa atin ni Jesus, atin lang masasabi, ni hindi ako karapat dapat. Paul says he is unworthy. He did not cooperate. It's only the grace of God. Katunayan, nagpagal akong higit kaysa sino man sa kanila. Subalit, hindi ito dahil sa sarili kong kakayahan, kundi dahil sa kagandahang loob ng Diyos sa akin. Okay? I labor. Nagpagal ako. I work harder than any of them. But ang sabi niya, not I. Not I. Nagpagal ka man, but it's not you. It's not I, but the grace of God that was with me. He's emphasizing that even our efforts in ministry, ang nagagawa nating paglilingkod, is only enabled by divine grace rather than autonomous human ability. It's not you. It's God. Ewan ko kung nakikita niyo yung sarili niyo sa paglilingkod. Minsan makikita mong you're burnt out. You wanted to take a step back. Pero lahat ng yan, kapatid, ang common denominator niyan, it's not you. It's not me. Grace of God. Kaya kung titignan natin ang ating mga gawa, as basihan, naku, lahat tayo papalya, no? Kung may marka tayo, baka mababa pa sa 70. Ano ang sabi ng Reform? Sola gratia. Grace alone. Walang na-mention ng Bible na works. Walang na-mention ng Bible na sacraments. Walang na-mention ng Bible na human cooperation. Grace plus cooperation. Walang ganon, kapatid. Yan ang sinabi ni Calvin. And even Augustine, he referenced from Ephesians 2 verse 8 to 9. Grace is the sole cause of salvation. Salvation is of the Lord from first to last. Hindi yung si Lord dito, ikaw, no. From first to last, it's always the Lord. It is not I, it's not you, it's the Lord. Bakit ganon? So kung si Lord ang gumagawa lahat ng yan, parang unfair naman. Parang unfair kung siya lang lahat. Kasi paano kung ako gusto ko, pero paano kung hindi naman talaga ako? Tinatry ko naman, pero kung si Lord lahat yan, bakit nagpe-fail pa rin ako? Ito lang ang masasabi natin, kapatid. Ito ay coming from Charles Spurgeon. Sabi niya, if God saves any, it is grace. If He saves none, it is justice. If God saves any, kung magligtas ang Panginoon, yan ay grasya o biyaya. Kung wala siyang iligtas, yan ay justisya ng kanyang pagiging makatuwiran at makatarungan. Because no one deserves it. Sabi ni Pablo, hindi ako karapat-dapat, hindi ito dahil sa sarili kong kakayanan. So even with the modern objections right now na makita natin, unfair naman, no. If God saves any, that's grace. If he saves none, it is justice.